So you're not gonna feed me? You're not gonna get my nails done? I told you cash out wide open. You talking about I need a new wig? Really?
Yeah.
That's what type of time?
Whatever that is. Up there.
Whatever. What is?
Up there. Whatever
Up there.
that is.
What you talking about?
I get it haircut.
And I could get my hair done by you.
Okay.
Give me a kiss. Yeah, I don't really got too much time to get ready because he is coming in. I don't have too much time. I don't got my nails done, so yeah. I don't got my nails done. That's crazy, right? I just took my nails off yesterday, y'all. What's good, DK Squad? Y'all already know who it is. And if you don't, it's your girl Keith from D and Key, and I'm back with another video. And as y'all can tell by the title, your girl finna be Ratchet. Period, boo, period. That's on that, and that's on that. I'm finna be Ratchet. I ain't have time to put on my lashes because he came home sooner than I thought. So yeah, and as y'all can tell, I already got dressed up. I'm finna put my shirt off or whatever. Got a little boobs showing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna put my jacket off, and I'm waiting on him. I don't think he know that I'm in the car, so I'm waiting on him. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that what notification bell, boo boo, cause y'all already know. What's key if she ain't gonna what? Prank D, period. That's on that. So we're gonna get into this video, and I want to see his reaction on how I'm gonna be Ratchet. Y'all just stay tuned, okay? All right. Come on, what you waiting on?
What you doing with the key? I mean, why you ain't take this key?
Because you had to lock the door.
The car, you could have started the car up and got in the car.
But the doors was locked when I came out here.
You could have unlocked the door and started the car up.
I did do that, but the door was unlocked when I came out here.
I know I brought my phone in the house.
Your phone been out here when I've been out here.
I brought my phone in the house.
All right, where we going first? My head itch.
Where we going for real?
We gotta go get the stuff. What you talking about? It's hot.
Let the windows down.
Let the windows down. My hair. Talking about let the windows down first. What? Give me this.
No.
Excuse me.
What was doing?
Go get the stuff.
Okay, and where else?
We need to go to CVS. I need to go to CVS. Oh, my hair itchy. I'm gonna snatch this off. Oh my god. So you ain't go shit?
You been in the house all day.
That's not what I asked you. So you're not gonna share?
Nope, I'm not.
Oh, your attitude is too much for me. I got a question for you.
What you want? Look.
We can go get my nails done.
Got some money.
Oh, you? Cash out wide open. What you talking about? What? Hello?
That's your next stop with that damn thing. Touch me with that. What that shit mean?
I'm saying, you gonna get my nails done?
Please stop.
Are you gonna get my nails done? Yes or no?
No.
Why?
Because you
I'm deserving.
Okay. And what that mean?
I need my nails done.
We'll get them done.
Okay, I need it done like ASAP.
Business comes before your nails. You know ASAP.
Business is part of my nails. What you talking about? How you work this? How you work this?
Stop pushing. Stop.
How you work this?
Stop. Good.
Don't hit me.
Let me rape.
No, I'm not.
Fuck.
Keep your eyes on the road.
Doing too much.
I'm doing too much.
fault, man.
I'm doing too much.
Yes,
You doing too less. You're doing too less. Like, excuse me, sir.
Bro, I'm gonna throw that thing out the window. Stop touching
And
me
you
with
throw it
that.
out the window, you give me another one because
on,
this is
bitch.
my head scratcher and I need it for my weeds.
You need a new weed.
Okay. Like I said, cash out wide open, honey. And you got money. I need coins. I'm not laughing.
Okay. You need coins.
I'm hungry.
You got food at the house.
And you don't cook. So I'm hungry. My stomach been growling all day.
I can learn. And your stomach got that grinding all day. Food in there. You chose
I don't
to stop.
care. I'm hungry.
We fought that deal. That's your fault.
You gonna go get me something to eat? Yeah, or no?
No.
Riley, you know what? You being real rude right now, and I don't like it.
Stop touching
I
me
don't-
with that thing,
listen.
bro.
I don't like it. You been really rude.
So would.
Why?
Cause no, how you acting?
You love me?
Stop touching me with that thing.
First of all, you got me all the way messed up by putting your finger in my face. That's what we're not going to do, sir. You hear me talking to you? Can you turn on some music?
No, not time. No, how about that? No.
Why?
I'm gonna put the mouth on. Stop touching me.
You
with
told me
that.
shut up. Throw my damn thing out. Throw it out.
Okay, stop touching
Okay,
me.
give it here. And don't. We ain't throwing nothing.
Shit. Keep it where it's supposed to be then.
Boy.
I'm gonna find some of you over here being worse than me.
What we gonna do about this hungriness though?
You got some hungriness money?
I told you 3 times, Cash App is wide open,
CVS
baby.
is all the way down there. What's the closest one? CVS is
You making my head hurt.
5 miles away.
You
12.
really
12
making my
minutes.
head hurt right now.
Do you really need to go to CVS?
I do. I really do.
Do you got a mask?
Do you have a mask?
Yeah, my mask actually down there by your foot.
And you don't have to get out the car. So I have your mask.
What if I got corona? Ha ha ha.
Baby daddy, you miss me today? Why? I'm gonna break your finger. Go! Taking your precious time at the light. What you talking about? What you doing? So about this hair situation, what you doing for it? Cause I'm tired of talking about it
Don't
now.
got money. Don't got no hair money. I don't got nothing for you.
You always talking about what you don't have for me.
I don't got no hair money for you.
What we in Walmart for? What we coming to Walmart for?
You just sit back and enjoy the ride now. I'm already just got out of work. I'm tired. Quiet. Be quiet.
You don't
quiet.
tell me what I need to do. Sir.
Listen. Smacking on the damn gun.
And you like it.
No, I don't. It's really unlikely.
Unlikely.
Yeah.
What's that?
Unladylike.
Who cares about being a lady right now?
Shit, you should. You should.
I'm comfortable with you. You could accept me. If I want to smack on this gun, I want to smack on this gun. What you talking about?
Why you stop? Stop!
Stop hitting me. You ain't gotta hit me. You ain't gotta hit me though.
Your nerve bad now.
Your nerves bad. So now your nerves bad. And you just hit me.
Stop.
No, stop. You stop. The freak. Excuse me?
Should have stayed at home.
Why?
Let you go. So wherever you need to go. Cause it's been a long day.
Oh my head.
Should have watched.
Yeah. You should wash your head. Don't come for me. Don't do that, cause I don't appreciate that, partner.
Yeah, what?
Don't do that. I don't care.
Sure, what?
If my head itchy, my head just itchy. Let me scratch it in peace. I don't need your extraness. Where's the music? Where's the music? Cause I'm tired of talking. I'm really tired of talking to you right now. Hello, sir.
Somebody asking for some Kiara, please stop touching me.
Can you?
Kiara, listen. Can you please stop touching me with that thing, bro? Stop, please. Just stop touching me with that
Can
thing.
you play some music?
I would. I will.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna call my friend.
Move.
I'm gonna call my friend because I don't have time. What's good, friend?
Hi, B.
What is you doing? What is you doing?
I'm in the street.
In the street. Period. Period.
I thought your lips out.
Excuse me? Oh, see, we ain't finna do that. We ain't finna do that because today ain't, no, don't come for me.
I'm just saying though, like, what's going on?
Nah.
Because, like, you look at the work right now.
And your lashes look a little sloppy, so what you talking about?
Because I did this myself, okay?
And that's why it look the way it look. Girl, let me tell you.
And when your lashes say, you give me very much on that
Let me tell you something. I don't need lashes because I have them. I have them, period. You driving too fast. Friend, I gotta go. Cause my... Why is you driving like that?
What you talking about, bro?
Why is you driving like that?
You want the car to hit us?
You driving crazy though.
You want the car to hit us?
But you ain't gotta drive crazy.
I want to.
No, you can't.
I tried to save my car, yeah.
You need to lose your
Stop
attitude.
smacking on that gum. Oh my God.
You need to lose your attitude because I ain't feeling
finna
it.
get out. That's what you finna do.
Yeah, whatever.
All that Ratchet.
Whatever, because you ain't gotta kick me out. Because you can pull over and I get out right now.
Okay. That's your business.
Yeah, whatever. And you gonna be picking me up.
Okay.
Picking me up, boo. Who? Ooh. I'm not liking you right now.
I'm not liking you right now. What the hell you mean?
You love me, so what you talking about?
What you think you do? Huh?
You can stop it.
What you think?
You can stop it.
What you think you do?
You can stop
You
it.
love me too.
And you can lose it. And you can lose your attitude because I'm not feeling it.
You can lose your ratchetness because I ain't feeling it.
I'm just talking about like my hair though and my nails.
I don't care
And
about
I'm
that.
hungry.
I don't care about that. I don't care about neither.
Why you don't?
Because one, you got food at the house, and two, that's something that can wait. I don't care about that.
It don't have to wait. I just had this conversation talking about I got to wait. You ain't waiting on nothing.
No, ain't coming out my pocket, ain't waiting. He's gonna wait. He's gonna do what I say.
Cash out wide open, say less.
Cash out, stay wide open.
I need my coins.
Okay, go get your little coins. Mario coins, whatever you need, go get them. Shit.
That was so lame of you. That was really lame.
Stop smacking, looking at me like a. Ooh. Ooh. Don't need lights off. Oh.
Ooh, what?
Smacking in my face like a camel.
Ooh, what? Ooh, what, honey? Ooh, what, honey? Oh, I thought somebody said something. That was I thought. I'm gonna be wrong though.
No, man. That shit.
What?
You think that shit? No, that shit. You think that supposed to be sexy or something? What you doing?
My head itching.
Bro, stop speaking and going like that. For real.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
I'm
What you gonna do? You mad? You mad? Hello? Hello? You be telling me what I need to do. How you gonna tell me what I need to do?
Here you go. USCVS, come on.
Oh, I don't need to go there no more.
You got me fucked up. You finna get out and get something. You finna go in here and get something out of here.
I don't need to go in here no more. I don't. What you doing? Let's go. Let's go.
I ain't going nowhere till you get something out the damn store. You know what you finna do.
I don't need to get nothing out of the store. Let's get out of here. Hurry up before you run up all the gas in your car.
You just ran up all my gas in my car and made me drive 6 miles for no reason or whatever. Go get something out the car, bro, for real, man. I'm getting a headache, come on.
You getting a headache?
Yes, I am, come on.
How you think I'm feeling?
I don't care how you feeling, bro, come on.
Why you don't care how I'm feeling?
I just got off work, come on, bro.
But you don't care how I'm feeling?
Bro, I'm finna go home, bro. For real, go in there and get something now. Got a headache, come on.
But you don't care how I'm feeling. That's what you saying, though.
No, I don't. Nope, I don't. Nope. Since you want to take it there, no, I don't. Now go get what you want and come on, so we go.
I'm not getting out this car.
Bro, go.
Cause first of all,
I have a headache.
Cause first of all,
bro.
no, listen, you gonna hear me out. You gonna hear me out today. Cause first of all, honey.
I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache.
First of all, honey, let me tell you something.
What?
Don't holler at me.
Kiki, come on, bro. I got
It's
a
Kibu
headache.
for you.
Bro, what the fuck, whatever. Come on, I'm hungry.
It is Kibu for you. So now you starving. But you ain't care about me being hungry. Not on that type of time. Not today. We ain't gonna do that today. We're not. We're not.
Come on.
My head is itching. Give me a second. My head is really itching.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's really itching.
Oh my god.
And you making it itch more. Cause you pushing it. You doing too much and you need to calm down.
Go ahead and get some please and come
We
back.
just gonna sit here cause I just told you I don't need nothing. I just told you that. Did I not? Oh, okay.
You make me get off work, take a shower, and I want to rest for a minute. Drive you all the way out here for no reason. Why? I'm for real. Like, why? I'm fucking tired, bro. Come on. I've been a long day. I've been up, bro. Stop smacking on that gun. That shit is annoying. Stop. Stop! Move, bro.
You sexy, baby
No,
daddy.
you're not right now. I'm not feeling you. Come on now.
I feel you on your worst days.
Well, these
Okay.
ain't your worst days. Come
Okay.
on, move.
Okay. So I see how you move.
Mm-hmm. Come on.
I see how you move.
Cause I know your potential. Come on.
No, I don't want to hear
Here
that about.
you go,
I don't
get
want to hear
some.
that about no potential.
You might get out,
I don't want to hear that. Tell about
on.
potential. You could have saved that. For real. What you want to do?
They tell you can get you out my fucking car. Come on, man.
You cannot tell no stranger to come get me out your car. Is you crazy? Is you crazy? Do I look like a little hookah on the side of the road? Do I look like a little hookah on the side of the road?
Bro, stop, bro.
Do I look like that?
Man, look it, bro.
Do I
Stop.
look like that? Like, just let me know.
Yes. Come on.
Sell me.
He look like he'll buy you.
Sell me then.
He look like he'll buy you.
No, sell me since I look like a hookah on the side of the road.
Oh, you just stabbed me. Stop.
I did not stab you.
Yes,
You
you
stabbed
did. I
yourself
just
because
felt
I
it.
told you not to hit me and you touched
Keep
me.
that out my
So that's your
face, bro.
consequence
Come
of doing that.
on, bro. I'm trying to go home. Oh, come on. Let's go get this stuff and go back home.
Why are you trying to go back home?
Cause I want to go back home. That's where I belong. My house. Let's go. Come on. Got me way out here. I don't want to be in here.
My gum is getting nasty.
Okay, throw it out.
Here.
I don't want that shit. Throw that shit out.
Here.
Bro, throw that shit out, bro.
Throw it out.
Man. Stop. You pissing me off.
Okay, for real. For real. I need to be be here. It was just a prank,
I
for
don't
real.
care. No, you playing.
I need to be here. I need to come and see the ass, for real.
Get
for
out.
real.
Go, get out.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
not parking. I'm not
I
parking.
just,
I'm
I
staying
just,
right here.
don't leave me.
So you want to be a prank?
leave
Nah,
me.
it's a prank. Go. No, I'm getting out.
I just want,
No, get out
I
right here.
just wanted to see your reaction.
I don't care. Nope. Don't get this camera out my face.
Nah, I just wanted to see
I
your
don't
reaction.
care.
for real.
Prank. Bro.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all. We love y'all.